Traveling to Paris in 2024? Here are 10 must-know tips for a perfect trip. 1. Download Paris apps, essential for navigating public transport and real-time info. 2. Use SmartLuggage. Secure your bags with GPS tracking and digital locks. 3. Try e-scooters, quick and eco-friendly way to get around the city. 4. Reserve cafes online. Avoid long waits by booking your spots in advance. 5. Visit tourist kiosks. Instant info and tickets available at futuristic kiosks. 6. Explore with virtual reality. Preview museums and landmarks before visiting. 7. Use a smartwatch. Get turn-by-turn navigation right on your wrist. 8. Scan QR codes. Unlock special offers and info instantly. 9. Rent electric cars. Travel sustainably with eco-friendly car rentals. 10. Enjoy nightlight shows. Catch dazzling light displays at major landmarks. Bon voyage! Hit like and subscribe for more travel tips.